Correcting bleach stains on clothes is a common laundry challenge, but it's important to first understand what a bleach stain actually is. It is not a stain in the traditional sense, it is permanent color removal. The bleach has chemically stripped the dye from the fabric fibers, meaning you cannot remove the stain because there is nothing to remove. The goal, therefore, is to disguise, recolor, or camouflage the damaged area. If you catch a bleach spill immediately, your first step is to neutralize it to prevent the spot from getting larger. You can do this by rinsing the area with cold water and applying a paste of baking soda and water or a commercial bleach neutralizer like sodium thiosulfate. This action stops the chemical reaction. Once the damage is done, the method for correction depends heavily on the color of the garment. For white clothing, the problem is often a yellowish spot rather than a pure white one. You can correct this by carefully applying a diluted solution of bleach and water directly to the yellowed area with a cotton swab, which helps to whiten it and blend it with the rest of the fabric. Alternatively, using a laundry bluing agent during a wash cycle can counteract the yellow hue and make the entire garment appear brighter and whiter. For black or very dark clothing, the easiest and most effective fix for small spots is a permanent fabric marker. Find a marker that matches the fabric's color as closely as possible. Before applying it to the stain, test the marker on an inconspicuous area, like an inside seam, to ensure the color is a good match. Apply the ink in light, dabbing motions, building the color in layers until it blends seamlessly. Allow it to dry completely, then set the color by ironing over it with a cloth barrier. For larger bleached areas on dark clothes, your best option is to re-dye the entire garment with a quality fabric dye to achieve a uniform color. Colored clothing presents the biggest challenge due to the difficulty of matching specific hues. Fabric markers are still a viable option if you can find the perfect shade. Art supply stores often carry a wide variety of colors. Another creative approach is to cover the stain entirely. An iron-on patch, a bit of decorative embroidery, or a strategically placed applique can turn the mistake into a unique design element. For a more drastic measure, you could use a color remover product to strip the original dye from the entire garment and then re-dye it a completely new, often darker, color. Ultimately, fixing a bleach stain is about creative restoration rather than simple cleaning. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful clothing care tips.